why are you coming to work during this period?
So I'm coming to work because in my mind, I'm contributing to society.
I don't know how I feel. I feel anxious, I feel scared.
Why I'm excited is our company is looking after us.
You know, they're providing transport for us to make sure that we get to work safely and all that.
So the project was started to support the local need for hand sanitizers in South Africa, to the point where we have taken 3 weeks to accomplish something that would take normally 7 to 8 months to accomplish.
I was willingly happy hearing from the company that they'll be doing sanitizers and they'll be contributing, they'll be donating them to people who are less fortunate.
I am very excited because some of the communities, they don't have even this sanitizer. They wish they can have.
Producing this product right now, it's going to go out to the communities to help out with NGOs. It's a really good feeling, you know, to be part of it.
I think I'm just most proud of how the team is working together, because everybody is being very supportive. Everybody is very happy to do whatever needs to be done to make sure that we can get our jobs done, get our work done. And especially with the project at the moment, what we're seeing is a lot of input and a lot of excitement and a lot of people wanting to help and be part of it. So that for me is really, really great, because we can't do anything on our own.